Hello, my beautiful crafty family. Hope everyone is doing great today. Thank you for stopping by. This is Anna. Guys, today is July the 1st, 2021, and I wanted to show you what I received in my design team package. One of the items that I received were these beautiful sunflowers, guys. These are gorgeous, and there are 5 to a pack. There are only 3 here because I've already used a couple of them, but the item number is 29594. Oh my gosh, guys, these are so pretty. I just love that. So I've already used 2. The next thing that I received was some score tape in the 1/2 inch size, because sometimes I really need the 1/2 inch. You guys know I like the 3/8 inch tape. Once in a while I need the 1/2 inch, and so I thought, well, let me just go ahead and order one. So this month was more of a supply order than paper, just because I want to use up the paper that I have. I do not want to be a paper hoarder, guys. I want to use what I have. So I did order paper, but I just didn't order what I normally do. So I got the 1/2 inch score tape, item number 18004. Another item that I did order, or nonstick craft sheet. Order number is 17196. Guys, I have one of these. I had one of these, and no, I didn't glue anything down that I couldn't lift off. I didn't lose it. I didn't burn it. I use it a lot when I'm painting or using my hot glue gun. But guys, this is huge. It is huge. One day I was doing something and I had just painted, when I was making the sewing machine drawer, I was painting the chipboard, and then I set things aside to dry, and I forgot that my mat was on my cutting mat, and I went to cut something with my knife, and I cut my mat. Oh, I was so mad at myself. I cut my mat. But I managed to salvage part of it, because I went ahead and cut it down to a more, I think I was able to do 9x9. So I have a smaller mat now that I can use for either just to put my glue gun on, or when I'm making rosettes or something small, I can use the other small mat. But this was so pretty and shiny, brand new. So I did order this to replace the one that I ruined. All right, so that was the nonstick craft sheet. And then another item that I ordered were these Fiskars nonstick. I ordered these because I believe I read somewhere it said, or maybe I just read it wrong, but I ordered these because they're supposed to be good for cutting sticky, and hopefully, because my regular scissors are just all sticky, and I thought, well, hopefully these are going to help with that. I thought I read they were non-stick. Maybe I read wrong. Yeah, see? Stainless steel non-stick scissors. Okay, it says non-stick, but the package doesn't. Well, the item number is 26050, and so right here it says non-stick. It's just the packaging probably that is not saying what it's supposed to, but they are non-stick scissors. So I did order that. And then we go on to, and then of course, guys, I got my trusty pen, beautiful blue one, and that's where my pens go. Now, another thing that I ordered was this graphic 45 square tag and clock metal die. Isn't this pretty? I have been wanting to order this for quite some time, but because I like the tag shape, the clock is just an added bonus for me. I really like this tag. Item number is 8176. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. So I received that one, and I also received this Chantilly Royal memory hardware from designed by Frank Garcia for Prima. And order number is 16127. And I wanted to open this and see how it goes. Yeah, it's oh, it is so pretty, guys. I can hardly wait to play around with this. This is so pretty. I'm gonna probably paint it, do some kind of mixed media on here or something, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. I don't want to speak too soon because I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it is gorgeous, guys. It is gorgeous. So it is the Frank Garcia memory hardware Chantilly Royal one piece. That is so pretty, guys. Oh, look at that. I hadn't seen the back. These are pretty. I'm excited about this one, guys. These are from the Mente papers. It's put out by Mente. This is one of their chippies, and this is big. I can probably get 2 projects out of here. But these are the shutters, and they are, like I said, from Mente, and they are the chippies. This is huge, 27098. And let me tell you how much this was $350, guys. This was only $350. Wow. And you can either make one great big photo album or project, a big, you know, maybe 12 by 12, or you can cut this in half, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna use one side, cut it in half, and make a mini album and use it as the front. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I just love that. So these have little connecting spaces right here so that they don't, you know, just fall all the way out. You just take your blade and cut that little piece right there. Anywhere you see this little connection, and it'll come right out. Let's see what the whole, let me take it out of here, guys. Okay, so I've taken it out of the packaging, and I think this is the back, I don't know, but this is the front. See how you just have to cut apart the little pieces right here? Let's take a blade and cut it. But let me show you something else. This is the packaging, guys. This was the back of the chippy. And I flipped it over, and look at that. This has a design on it where we can actually use this. Isn't that cool? So we can even use the packaging. I love that. Wow, that's awesome. Way to go, Mente. So these are the shutter chippies. Can't wait to start using this. Okay, so those were the chippies. And then the next thing I ordered, actually the last thing that I ordered, was this Mente Vacation Paper Collection. How pretty is this? Let me open it, guys. All right, and before I go on, it is number 27085. And this is the Mente Vacation. And oh, this is the front. The bonus sheet is on the back cover, which is the cut aparts. Oh, how fun. I just love this little flamingo. How fun is this, guys? Oh my gosh, I love it. And then this is the first page. How pretty. Look at that fancy, fancy chair. That is pretty in the little handbag. Oh, I love that. And this is the back. Very pretty. Oh, I like this page. This page can go just like this on something. But you know what? I think if I were to cut it apart at 6 inches, it would be almost right in the center. I would get 2 Polaroids. If I cut it at 6 by 6, I would get 2 Polaroids on each half. Yep, that's awesome. That is awesome. I wonder if they worked it out that way or just worked out like that on its own. Love that. And then here is the back of that one. That's so pretty. You know, orange is another one of my colors that I just, I try to stay away from orange, but I like the way this looks. And then this page, oh my gosh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. It's got a traveler's notebook up here. And here's the flamingo. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Oh, how pretty. The back is so pretty. And look at this beautiful big straw hat. How fun is that? Oh, look at the bird here. He is so, it looks like a cockatiel. So pretty. Very pretty. And here's the back of that. Beautiful palm leaves and pink. And this is their floral page. Very pretty. And this is a great big green leaf on the back. I can't remember what the name of this leaf is, but it's beautiful. The 3x4 page, so pretty. Oh, look at that swinging chair. Beautiful. An ice cream cone. And then there's the back. Very pretty. And then it repeats. So yeah, guys, this is such a pretty paper pad. Yeah, it just repeats, guys. So I really like this. I will tell you, I got one other thing, but I didn't order it. I just thought it was so neat. So I'm going to put this in my envelope and label it in just a little bit. I don't have to put it back in the plastic sleeve it came in. Okay. So that's the Mente Vacation. I'm going to put the chippies in here as well because I ordered them to use together. So I am going to put the chippies in here as well. All right, guys, you know what else I'm putting in here? I'm putting this in here. Yes, I intend to use it all together. And I am hoping to be able to incorporate this tag. And I think I have an idea, so I think I'll be able to incorporate that tag. This is all together. It will be one project. And then, to my surprise, I received 2 sheets of cut parts. Look, guys, that's the back. But this says, I don't know if I was supposed to show this or not, but it says this is not this product is not for sale. This is a gift sheet. You get this free gift because you purchased Mente products from our client. Thank you. Isn't that cool? I had never gotten one of these before, but that is so cool. So these are cut aparts, and they are so pretty. They are so pretty. It's got all these sentiments. It's got clocks, in darker colors, and then the lighter colors. So these are so pretty. I mean, we can use these for anything. So, and it's got all these sentiments. This is a wedding sentiment section. Birthday. And this is like baby. This is so pretty, guys, and it was so nice of them to, or you know, to include some freebie. But anyway, that was my haul for July 2021. And guys, check back to see what I make with the chippies. I'm so excited. Hopefully it's gonna work out good. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.